How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our MultiColor K-Force 27 linear. So when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your connection cables here. Now you'll notice a connector here, and this is to be used with our optional Grand Control, or you can cut this off in hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll see your SIG plug here for power, and then you have your aux line here where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Grand Control. So today I'll be using our Grand Control, and again that will plug in via connector here. So I'll go ahead and get my Grand Control plugged in, and then I'll hook up my SIG plug here to power. Now once I have the cigarette lighter plug hooked up to power, I can go ahead and activate my light bar off of the Grand Control. So you have your power button, and then you have your pattern changer here. So you can cycle through your different flash patterns, you can find a pattern you'd like, and then this light bar has memory recall. So you can shut your light bar off and back on, and it will remember the last pattern it was on. And then you also have a couple flash pattern shortcuts here as well. So if you hold your pattern button down for about 2 seconds, your light bar will go to steady burn, and it will go steady burn in the secondary color of your light bar. And then if you hold the pattern button down for about 3 seconds, your light bar will activate its random flash pattern mode. So you can easily access those two modes off of your flash pattern switch. And then here you have your alley button, and if you activate that button, your two alley lights will go steady burn in the secondary color of your light bar. And then when you deactivate those, they will go back to their multicolor flash. And then finally you have your aux button here where you can activate any lights that you have hooked up to the aux line. Now I did bring a red-blue multicolor unit with me today, and you'll notice the light bar flashes between color A and color B. And we do offer these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in multicolor configurations. So let's go over a couple of those. So for example here, I brought our amber clear in our dual color configuration and our red blue amber in our tricolor configuration. But again, you can get any color using amber, red, blue, green, and clear multicolor. And we even have our customize a light bar tool if you need a custom color setup for your vehicle. And you'll notice my light bars are on different flash patterns here, but all of our light bars come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them. And you'll have the ability to run your primary colors or your secondary colors individually, or your unit in multicolor with the built-in flash patterns. So let's go over those. So built into the flash patterns, you'll have 4 patterns on your primary color. So for example, on my red, blue, amber, my red, blue are my primary colors. And on my amber clear, my amber will be my primary color. So again, you'll have 4 flash patterns on your primary color. And then once you get past these 4 patterns, you'll have 4 patterns on your secondary color. So for example, the secondary color on my red, blue, amber unit is amber, and on my amber clear unit, my secondary color will be clear. And again, you'll have 4 flash patterns on your secondary color. And then once you get past these 4 patterns, you'll be back on your multicolor flash patterns. When it comes to the housing of your light bar, you'll notice the top cover fully encapsulates the base of the light bar for a really solid seal. And then you'll notice on the bottom of your light bar that you have extra drainage holes for even additional moisture protection. And then you'll see that you get your included magnetic feet here, which you can adjust along the slide track if you need to adjust for your vehicle. And then if you need to permanently mount your light bar, we do offer our permanent stud mount brackets and our headache rack bracket, which you can mount easily using the existing hardware from your magnetic feet. So that covers the features of our MultiColor K-Force 27 linear. Make sure to watch our flash pattern video to see all of the flash patterns that are included with this unit, and also check out our interactive player located on the product page. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.